The expected price of XRP in the future has been revealed by Coinbase, a major cryptocurrency exchange. Cryptocurrency Ripple, $38,999 one coin. This is serious business. Even the most seasoned crypto analysts and specialists were caught unawares by this. The recent success of Ripple against the SEC is the basis for this forecast. It has been widely speculated and proven that Ripple and Coinbase have started working together. An important turning point in the cryptocurrency sector has arrived with the settlement of Ripple's lawsuit against the SEC. The win for Ripple is good news for XRP holders, but it also highlights the bigger picture of the problems with cryptocurrency regulation. New conjecture regarding the future of regulatory disputes in crypto has been triggered by the vocal criticism of the SEC's inconsistent attitude by Stuart Alderodi, Chief Legal Officer of Ripple, and Paul Grewal, Chief Financial Officer of Coinbase. There's been some buzz about a possible collaboration between Ripple and Coinbase because of their common enemy. The two corporations might establish a formidable alliance. A rumor has it that Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, secretly has millions of XRP coins. If confirmed, this would further align their interests, opening the door to potential strategic cooperation. They would have a better chance of winning their case against the SEC if they stood together, and it would also mark the start of a new era in crypto regulation and exchange dynamics. Paul Grewal recently criticized the SEC for not having a strategy, lacking any sort of structure, reasoning, or regard for the law, as well as due process. All around the cryptocurrency business, many are feeling the same way about this statement. According to Grewal, the regulator's actions caused eToro to restrict its USD offers to Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. This prompted Grewal to criticize the regulator. An apparent loophole in the CC's enforcement strategy is the agency's inability to clarify which assets are considered securities and which are not. In Friday's tweet, Stuart Alderodi echoed Grewal's thoughts and even went so far as to criticize the CZ's handling of Binance's case. A twisted pretzel of contradiction is how Alderodi described the SEC, drawing attention to the agency's inconsistent treatment of cryptocurrency holdings as securities. His remarks followed the SEC's efforts to explain its usage of the term crypto asset securities in its amended complaint against Binance, which sought to address Ripple and Coinbase. It is possible that the two businesses could find a way around this regulatory issue more readily if they work together. Coinbase and Ripple could work together more closely if the speculation about Brian Armstrong's large XRP holdings are accurate. Because of his financial interest in XRP, Armstrong could play a pivotal role in defending the token's credibility. Coinbase and Ripple could change the game when they work together to counter the SEC's overreach with their combined resources. We must not underestimate the significance of such collaboration. Coinbase is a major player in the Bitcoin exchange industry, and Ripple was an early adopter of blockchain technology for international money transfers. If they work together, they have the potential to define cryptocurrencies more precisely in the eyes of the law and establish a standard for. Their partnership has the potential to generate the necessary momentum to bring about clarity on regulations for their respective ecosystems, which is an issue that both companies are very concerned about. A leading member of the XRP community, known as Jack the Ripper, tweeted that once the US government clears out its regulations and policies, the cryptocurrency will become the go-to solution for businesses looking to use crypto solutions. That Ripple could emerge victorious has far-reaching implications for the cryptocurrency industry and XRP in particular, according to this view. The situation would become far more precarious if Coinbase decided to become involved. And further voice critical of the SEC's treatment of the Ripple case is that of pro-XRP lawyer John Denton. His main point was that XRP holders have lost around $15 billion due to the agency's willful lack of oversight. Highlighting the harm caused by regulatory uncertainty, Denton pledged to fight for investor recompense. The bigger picture includes his assertions, which may be fixed with more openness and changes to the law. Officials at the SEC favored nebulous standards in order to retain enforcement flexibility, according to internal emails uncovered during the Ripple case, a strategy that has further muddled the crypto market, as pointed out by Denton. Now, let's delve into something that's even more fascinating. The news of Ripple's triumph in court has sparked speculation that Coinbase is hiding millions of XRP. More is going on than what is immediately apparent. Already, crypto specialists are making audacious predictions about the market potential impact of a potential merger between Ripple and Coinbase. Everything will be altered by the events that follow. Believe me, when I say you should stay for this, you'd be surprised by how huge it is. So recent actions by key actors like Max, creator of Bitcoin, have only served to fan the flames of XRP's already intense popularity in the cryptocurrency community. Everyone in the XRP community took notice of Max's sudden investment in the cryptocurrency when a post about it went viral. It wasn't an ordinary purchase, though he sarcastically acknowledged that fellow analyst Jackass had an impact on his choice. His decision was ultimately based on extensive chart research. This change reflects the interest of many investors. It can be a sign of the future plans of major players in the Bitcoin industry. The XRP community was very receptive to Max's move, and it has had far-reaching consequences. From an underdog to a major player in the digital economy, XRP is making a gradual but steady transition. I seen a commenter on Max's choice brought up the long-held notion that XRP has been cheap for quite some time, particularly given the global trend towards digital currencies issued by central banks. The fact that the token could eventually supersede antiquated systems like Swift just makes people feel better about it. Some may be skeptical of the possible price explosion of XRP, but predictions made by analysts like Levi Rieveld are hard to ignore. There has been a lot of interest and criticism in Rieveld's daring prediction that XRP may reach a stunning $38,999 if it forms the foundation of a new worldwide financial system. What was the logic behind it? Over $1 quadrillion, the combined valuation of the futures market and world debt. The price of XRP may increase by more than anybody could have imagined if it were to play a pivotal role in easing monetary transactions. The increasing aspirations of big institutions like BlackRock to tokenize physical assets lend credence to this forecast. According to Redfield, these institutions' goals extend beyond simply replacing the current debt system. They aim to transition everything to blockchain, with XRP's ledger possibly serving as the foundation for this future. To unlock such enormous value for XRP, Redfield stresses that liquidity is important. He claims that the upcoming Ripple IPO is the key that will unlock the mystery behind the XRP price's irrational surge. How high XRPZ can go depends on a number of factors, including government transparency, institutional backing, and market liquidity. Skilled in climbing. Even more cautious but astonishingly hopeful have been firms like Val Capital, although it falls short of Rieveld's ideal. Their $12,000 price tag for XRP is based on the token's long-term acceptance as a medium of exchange. The model also highlights the significance of XRP's function in transactions in wider financial acceptance amongst all these projections. More mysteries added by the fact that famous people like Harmonix and Jack the Ripper have tweeted about it. XRP's tweet from Harmonix in the event that you think this chart isn't going to function. The fundamentals of cryptography are still foreign to you. With its focus on practical uses, Ripple and XRP are becoming increasingly popular around the world, not only in the United States. As a blockchain-based payment solution provider in South Korea has integrated XRP into its system, enabling customers to make seamless, fast payments. The country has recently emerged as a hotspot for Ripple's utility.